Welcome back to Overheat, Honda Motorhome 2026. External aerodynamic shape. By minimizing wind resistance and increasing fuel efficiency, the body lines will gently transition from the front cabin to the back. Fully adjustable LED lighting is featured in both the front and rear lights. Integrated solar panels. Slim, flexible solar panels that blend in well with the motorhome's roof will be installed. Automatic sliding doors. A broad automatic sliding door system will be used at the motorhome's main entrance. Aluminum alloys and cutting-edge composite materials are used to create lightweight, robust materials. Wheel and tire design. Standard equipment will include aerodynamic wheels and low-profile tires. The T are specifically made to lessen rolling resistance. Interior, galley, smart faucet sink. Built-in microwave, small refrigerator freezer, and induction cooktop. Solid surface materials that are easy to clean are probably used to make. Countertops, cozy sleeping area. A cozy memory foam mattress will be placed on the queen-size main bed. Integrated infotainment system. The navigation and entertainment systems will be controlled via a sizable touchscreen in the cockpit. Advanced connectivity features include wireless charging, USB-C ports everywhere, and an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot. Smart storage. With concealed drawers and effective overhead cabinets, every available space will be used for storage. Hybrid or fully electric powertrain. This is probably a plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a huge battery for a considerable electric range with an electric motor and an efficient gasoline engine. Given the trend toward electric vehicles, a fully electric version with a longer range is also feasible. Adaptive suspension system. To ensure a steady and comfortable ride, an adaptive suspension system will automatically modify the vehicle's stiffness and ride height. Semi-autonomous driving capability. Level 2 or Level 3 semi-autonomous driving capabilities may be available in the motorhome. Recycled materials. An emphasis will be placed on using recycled materials both inside and outside.